Hey guys, I wanted to send this quick video to you guys. I'm literally 20 minutes away from having to be to work. I had to go to the grocery store and grab some stuff. So what I got was a couple items. I had to go pick up the return air vent that I ordered online that ended up coming to the store right after I ordered it. They gave me back my processing fee. I had to go to the post office. I had to go to the storage facility. I had to go to UPS. Now I'm getting ready to go drop off this little bit of stuff that I got to the house because I'm making buttermilk ranch pork chops, and I think I'm gonna do some candied carrots or either some green beans. I don't know yet, but I got both and I'll figure that out what I want to eat when I get off of work. So I'm making that. So I'm going to share the little items that I got. Oh, and I had to go to Walmart to take that griddle back. Remember I told you I wasn't gonna keep that griddle? I have some stuff I want to share with y'all that I got from Amazon. So today we're gonna go live at 5:30. Hold on. Okay, I'm in. So these are the items that I got from the store. I got some of these. We needed some more cereal. I got me some more creamer, green beans, some baby carrots, some sausage. I'm gonna do a sausage meal with rice. And then I have these command strips for that soap dispenser thingy that I want to put in my bathroom. We ran out of milk, so I got us some milk. Oh, I thought that said vanilla. And then I got these for the bathroom because we ran out of spray today. So yeah, and they both smell good. I already had smelled this one, but I've never seen that one. And that one smells so amazing. And then this is the huge, this box is huge. Like this thing is huge. I'm really debating getting my little $40 back for this and getting some wood and creating a little door, because all we need to cover is this little section. So I just think, like, look how big this box is to me. I just think it's overkill. So we'll see. But anyways, I will catch you guys at 5:30. Nose about to run. It's cold outside. At 5:30 to share my Amazon goodies and cook dinner tonight. So 5:30, let's go. And I will see you there. Later, gators.